Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Diamond Art Kit is probably one of the most popular craft kits in recent years, offering a relaxing and rewarding experience for crafters of all skill levels. It combines the precision of paint by numbers with the dazzling sparkle of thousands of tiny resin diamonds, creating stunningly beautiful artwork that you can proudly display. In this video, we'll dive into what makes a great diamond art kit, exploring essential accessories and helpful tools to elevate your diamond painting experience, ensuring you achieve the best possible results. Number 5. ARTDOT 60 Slots Diamond Art Case. It holds everything you need for your diamond painting projects. Its 60 containers and spacious net pocket keep all your supplies organized and protected. The screw-on lids create an airtight seal, preventing spills. The double zipper keeps everything safely inside. It includes everything you need to get started: pens, labels, a funnel, trays, wax, tweezers, and storage bags. You'll have everything you need to create beautiful artwork. Each container holds approximately 2,000 diamonds, perfect for various crafting projects. Use it for beads, nail art supplies, or anything else you need to organize. It's easy to carry with its sturdy handle. Take your projects with you wherever you go and create anytime, anywhere. What we like? It has 60 individual containers to keep your diamonds organized and safe. Its portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go crafting. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with everything you need, this is the kit for you. What people say. Larger bottles and lots of labels. This is great and includes so many extra accessories. Great, sturdy case. Has lots of vials to keep the drills in, comes with a nice assortment of tools, and 3 nice sturdy trays, 2 normal size and 1 big one, much nicer than the cheap plastic ones that come with the kits. Little Ziploc baggies and a silicone collapsible funnel. The containers are not the greatest quality, but the design of them make them so much better than most other bead storage options. I also love that the case is hard, so nothing ever gets smashed or broken. It is the best in terms of being able to store so many beads and jewelry findings efficiently in a compact space. Number 4. Diamond Painting Tool Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning diamond paintings. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. This innovative roller ensures your diamonds adhere perfectly to the canvas, creating a flawless finish. It's lightweight and durable for long-lasting use. Keep your diamonds organized and easily accessible with this handy storage box. Its secure closure prevents spills and keeps everything neat. These specialized pens significantly speed up your diamond painting process. Choose from pens that apply 3, 6, or 9 diamonds at once. The kit includes a roller, storage box, tweezers, a tool bag, multiple sticky pens, trays, and more, everything you need to get started. It's a total of 22 pieces. We're so confident you'll love this kit that we offer a money-back guarantee. Try it today with no risk. What we like? This kit includes a handy diamond painting roller for better adhesion and a 28-grid storage box for easy organization. The multifunctional pens speed up your diamond painting process. If you need tools to improve efficiency and organization, this is the one for you. Number 3. Hulameda 56 PS Diamond Painting Kit. This kit has everything you need to create stunning diamond paintings. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. You'll find a roller, storage box, tweezers, and more to make your diamond painting experience easier and more enjoyable. Everything is organized for easy access. The included roller helps you firmly and smoothly place the diamonds, ensuring a beautiful, shiny finish. It's lightweight and easy to use. The 28-grid storage box keeps all your beads neatly organized. Each row is removable for easy access and labeling. These pens let you place 3, 6, or 9 diamonds at once, speeding up your work significantly. It's much faster than using a single diamond pen. We're confident you'll love this kit. If not, we offer a 45-day money-back guarantee and friendly customer service. What we like? It features a diamond painting roller for flawless results and a convenient storage box to keep everything tidy. The various sized sticky pens allow for faster diamond placement. If you value efficiency and organization in your diamond painting, this is a great choice. What people say. The set includes everything needed to start and complete diamond painting projects. The quality of the tools and accessories is impressive, making the painting process smooth and enjoyable. The variety of items in the set ensures that all her needs are met, from applicators to storage containers. The compartments to sort and hold the dots, plus the labels are well made. The trays, labels, bags, wax, applicators are all items that helped with organizing and completing the project, plus all are well made. There is plenty of wax for several projects. The roller was something new to me. It is well thought out and should last for many projects. Love the storage bag to hold everything. Number 2. ZORETCO Diamond Painting Case. It has 60 individual jars, each securely holding your diamonds. A removable foam base and sturdy design prevents spills, keeping everything organized. This case holds a massive amount of diamonds, plus rings, necklaces, beads, anything small. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces. It comes with 5 diamond painting pens, 64 labels for easy color identification, and extra trays and wax. Everything you need is right here. Its attractive design and convenient two-way zipper make it perfect for travel. Take your diamond painting projects anywhere. Perfect for diamond painting, cross-stitch, or embroidery. It's a thoughtful gift for crafters and diamond painting enthusiasts. Let's open it up and see all the amazing features. Watch how easily you can organize all your diamond painting supplies. What we like. This case boasts 60 individual containers for ultimate organization and portability. It also comes with practical tools to enhance your diamond painting experience. If you prioritize organization and portability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Good amount of storage for diamond dot projects. Cute container and well made can keep your colors for your kit more organized as you work through your project. The tools that come with it are nice to have as extra tools to use on any project you're working on. The supples and little storage bottle are nice. It's been durable as well. It zips up easy and makes it easy to pick up and store the items when you need to, so you don't lose your pieces. The case is well made. Can fit a lot of diamonds in the tubes. Design is vibrant and pretty. Easy to clean. Has plenty of contents. I love this product. The design is bright and vibrant. It is very well constructed. The jars are big enough for the beads from most kits. It has a nice, sturdy handle. It has a pouch inside to hold extra supplies and it holds a lot. The jars stay in place well and the screw-on lids are perfect. Number 1. Sevgili Diamond Painting Sealer. It keeps your artwork vibrant and shiny, protecting it from dust and water damage. Say goodbye to loose diamonds and hello to lasting brilliance. Simply shake it, apply evenly with the included brush, and let it dry. It's quick and easy to use, taking only about 20 minutes to fully cure. It's not just for diamond paintings. This sealer works wonders on jigsaw puzzles, cross-stitch, and other similar crafts, preserving your creations. Made with PVA, a water-based glue, it's safe for adults to use. However, please keep it away from children under 3 years old. Store it at the right temperature. Freezing can damage it. Check your local climate before purchasing to ensure proper storage. What we like. This sealer will preserve your diamond paintings, keeping them sparkling and protected for years to come. It's incredibly easy to apply and works on various craft projects. If you want to protect your finished artwork, this is a must-have. What people say. This worked great on my diamond paintings. Easy to apply and dries clear, you can still see the sparkle and the color. Works great to seal diamond art pictures, very easy to use. Finishes to a beautiful clear shine, applies easily, dries quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.